Are you running Google Ads for your septic business and wondering where all the money is going? You're not alone. Most septic contractors waste money every single day without even knowing it. I've managed Google Ads for home service companies for years, including septic contractors, so I've seen the same problems again and again. Bad keywords, terrible landing pages, and no call tracking. It's like trying to catch rain with a bucket full of holes. Here are the top 3 ways septic contractors waste money on Google Ads. Using keywords that attract low-paying or DIY leads. Sending traffic to slow, generic websites. Not tracking which calls come from ads, so you have no idea what's working. Here's how I help fix that. I build ultra-targeted campaigns with high-intent keywords, fast-loading landing pages, and complete call tracking. My clients know exactly how many calls come from ads, and most see a drop in wasted spend within the first 30 days. I'm not a big agency. I work directly with my clients and specialize in septic lead generation. One client recently said, "This is the first time Google Ads actually made me money." Want to stop wasting money and start getting real leads? Book a free call today and let's talk about your business. The link is in the description.